Hi, this is Becky McCully, and today we are going to talk about the 6 reasons why the housing market is not the same today as it was during the financial crisis of 2007 and 2008. The lending standards have really changed since the financial crisis. Back then, it was really difficult not to get a mortgage. But today, they've definitely tightened the standards and are really making sure people are qualified in order to give them a mortgage. Another reason is that prices aren't soaring out of control. I know you're thinking, yes, they are, Becky. But back in the 4 years leading up to 2008, home prices were appreciating anywhere between 8 to 12.5% per year. But now, home prices have only been appreciating around 4% up to around 8.5%. We have roughly a 1-month supply of inventory on the market. To put that in perspective, a balanced market is when you have about a 6-month supply of inventory. When you compare that back to 2007, we had almost 10 months of inventory on the market. Some people think that new construction is going to fill that void of an inventory shortage. So in the 4 years leading up to the financial crisis, the inventory that new builders were putting out was consistently way above the national average. Over the last 13 years, the new home builds have been consistently way below the average. Houses are not becoming too expensive to buy, despite what public opinion says. The affordability of a home is really dependent on 3 factors: the price of the home, the wages of the purchaser, as well as the interest rates on a mortgage. Now, wages are significantly higher and the interest rates are, hovering around 3%. And finally, people are equity rich. They're not tapped out on the home equity that they've accumulated. People were using their homes essentially like an ATM. They were pulling equity out to finance their extravagant lifestyles because the market was appreciating at unprecedented rates. Statistics show that a lot of people have actually about 50% equity in their houses now, which is why we're not in the same situation that we were about 10 years ago. If you're interested in learning more about the Charlotte area housing market, please reach out to me and I would be happy to help you.